Hi, my name is Jemarc the Asuncion, a Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering 3A. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the Annex 3 and Annex 4 of Marine Pollution or Marpol. So, let's get started with Marpol Annex 3. Marpol Annex 3 is the regulation of prevention of pollution by harmful substances carried in package form. Annex 3 entered into force on 1st of July 1992, and the revise of Annex 3 entered into force in October of 2010. First of all, let us understand to which all ships Annex 3 which applies to. The Annex applies to all ships carrying harmful substances in any kind of packaging, in containers, portable tanks which can be moved from one place to another, road tanks or trucks which you can see here, and rail tank wagon which look like this. So the question is, what is harmful substances? So harmful substances are those substances which are identified as marine pollutants in the IMDG code. IMDG code is the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. For those of you watching this video, Annex 3 don't know about the IMDG code, well, it is a set of 3 books which has to be carried and complied at all times when a vessel is carrying dangerous goods in package form. As I've told you, the IMDG code comprises of 3 books, which is the Volume 1, Volume 2, and the Supplement. Volume 1 of the IMDG code contains general provision classification of the dangerous goods and guidelines as packing, marking, and transporting dangerous goods. By Volume 2 of the IMDG code contains the dangerous goods list. It is a list of dangerous goods carried by sea. Next is the discharge criteria as per Annex 3. The rules on discharging harmful goods are straightforward. It is absolutely prohibited to discharge harmful substances into the sea, except where necessary for the purpose of securing the safety of the ship or saving life at sea. And now, let's have a look of the requirements of Annex 3. The Annex 3 states that appropriate measure based on the physical, chemical, and biological properties of harmful substances shall be taken to regulate the washing of the leakage overboard, provided that compliance with such measure would not impair the safety of the ship and persons on board. So, this basically means that the sufficient steps need to be taken based on the properties of the harmful substances to prevent its discharge into the sea overboard. So, we are done now in Annex 3. So, we are now going to discuss about the Annex 4 of Marpol, which is the regulation for the prevention of pollution by sewage from ships. So, let's get started. So, Annex 4 entered into force on 27th of September 2003. Now, before going ahead, let us understand what is sewage. So, sewage is the wastewater which is generated on board is cutted into 2 types. So, the first type is gray water, which include the drainage of dishwasher and wash basins and galley, wastewater generated of drainage of cabin shower, laundry drainage and refrigerator, and also AC condensate. And the second type is black water waste. Black water waste consists of drainage from toilets and urinals waste generated from medical dispensary and drainage from cargo hold and living animals. And so, please take note that regulation of Annex 4 are applicable to black water waste and not in gray water waste. So, to which all ships that Annex 4 applies to? So, Marpol Annex 4 applies to all ships which are 400 gross rate tonnage and above engaged in international voyages, and to ships which are less than 400 gross rate tonnage certified to carry more than 15 persons. Annex 4 has a special area which is the Baltic Sea area. The Baltic Sea area has been adopted as the first special area for sewage discharge regulation. It is the only special area for Annex 4. When a vessel is in Baltic Sea, The discharge of sewage allowed only when the sewage treated in a sewage treatment plant, even if the vessel is 3 nautical miles or 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. So, the distance from nearest land does not matter. It has to be treated in a STP or sewage treatment plant. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.